everyone, my name is Dimay Micaela Bikila from Creed Talisay. My topic is all about adverbs. An adverb can be added to a verb to modify its meaning. Usually, an adverb tells you when, where, how, in what manner, or to what extent an action is performed. Many adverbs end in "ly", particularly those that are used to express how an action is performed. All too many adverbs end "ly". Lots, do not, fast, never, well, very, most, least, more, less, now, far, and there. Examples: Anita placed the vase carefully on the shelf. The word carefully is an adverb. It shows how the vase was placed. Tara walks carefully. The word carefully is an adverb. It modifies the verb to walk. He ran fast. The word fast is an adverb. It modifies the verb to run. You can set your watch by him. He always leaves at 5 o'clock. The word always is an adverb and modifies the verb to leave. The dinner guests arrived early. Early adverb modifies to arrive. She sometimes helps us. Sometimes adverb modifies to help. I am the only person in the world. I should like to know truly Oscar Wilde. Truly adverb modifies to know.